Yeah.
I like it.
What? So guys, when you see in front of you, this is the nasi goreng. I think all of you know about it. So what's special with this nasi goreng, I put the petee. Petee is a stinky bone, beans. Bone in German. Stinky beans.
I know
It's sticky beans, yeah, sorry.
It doesn't stink.
Yeah, I fried it, so just try and just go ahead. Yeah, because I think you all know about nasi goreng, right? And I put a little bit sambal for you to like to eat sambal. Okay.
Do you use fresh shrimp?
Yes.
It's good.
It's like,
I'm allergic.
oh, I didn't know. So I just put it to the side.
He
So,
could die, but that would be funny.
but what will happen?
I mean, it is for the feels. You can just take it.
No. No, I don't want to call 911.
Anaphylactic shock.
Not cool. Oh, but the beans really have an intense taste.
So you try it now?
Yeah.
So I want to see like
Where
really
did the
try the
green go?
beans. Just the green one in front of
Where's
you.
the stinky bean?
Yeah.
I like it.
What?
See, I like, I'm a big fan of bold, intense flavors.
Oh, that's why.
Bold, like really, something that just kind of puts you a little bit outside of your comfort zone. I
Yeah,
like it.
yeah.
That's very
So it
good.
gives like another taste, right?
it.
Flavor, yeah.
It's a bit smoky. It's really nice.
I like it.
Did you just try it again?
Okay, the beans, right?
Yeah.
Here, proof.
Proof that you really eat it.
Eat it.
Yeah, it's like you just eat the rice, right? And then you just I like it.
So good. It's good. I like it.
Yeah, I smell it already.
Yeah, it smells good. But it tastes for me something
Similar like
familiar. Yeah, familiar.
Ah.
It seems that maybe in Mexico I'm trying special dish, but maybe in Spanish the name is different.
Oh, okay.
I feel that I've tried before.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
I like it. That's really good.
Pasty?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I like it.
Well, we got a fence rider.
I can eat a couple of them, but I think not all of them probably.
This is
It's
the only one
really
who
a weird
doesn't
taste
like.
for me.
Oh, really? Like what?
I don't know. There's nothing I could
Sweaty
compare
sauce.
with. No.
Yeah.
It's like not terribly bad. It's like just really unknown again. Just a little weird. Yeah. I mean, I like strong flavors as well. For example, I don't know, the French with their cheese that is
Or
like.
camembert.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that I like, but I think to that taste I'm just not used to it. I don't know.
No.
I can eat some.
So, a bit of backstory for your viewers. You think living as a student is rough? I grew up poor, right? Totally fine. And you get to a point where whatever you're having for dinner is
You eat it.
Yeah, with love, and you just eat it.
Eat it, yeah.
There's no other option.
Similar like in
You know, like in Brazil.
about this, Mom.
She's like,
I
"Tell you
don't
what,
like it.
Goodbye. See ya. Good luck going to bed hungry. Oh no! Yeah, it's you get used to different things, and especially you know, sort of food from different cultures. Yeah, you just kind of just jump in.
Try.
Some stuff you don't like, some stuff you do like.
You do like that's true.
But there's
Cool,
nothing
right?
like, right? Like in college, like or like even like childhood, because like my family didn't have like that much money as well, right?
No, man.
So like
You get whatever.
yeah, like if it's like
End of
on the
story.
plate, you just eat it because if you don't eat it, like you're gonna be like starving.
That's all you got, man. Yeah.
No, but that's why like I actually like it this way.
I've got a few friends that are,
I don't like pickles. What the fuck are you
Fair.
talking about? You don't like pickles.
what's wrong with you?
Very
I hate
picky.
pickles. I hate pickles so much.
So picky, right?
Why?
What
Pickles have never done anything to you. Nice little pickles. Okay. That's interesting.
I hate tomatoes.
Yeah, Thiago never like to eat tomatoes.
Come on.
Tomato. We should put the challenge like eating tomato.
The only time they're gonna like buy a tomato if this video gets 10,000 likes.
10,000 likes.
No
Now we're
10,000 likes,
talking.
no tomatoes for Thiago. Every
So
time-
guys, is that the challenge? Should I put it up?
Send t-shirts, milk, and tomatoes
no, that sounds wrong.
in the same.
But yeah, how much likes I gotta say?
10,000.
10,000 likes, I will buy eat tomatoes. I will die, but I will do it. Like, you,
That's a little bit extreme.
say like, I don't know.
Not views because views.
No, 10,000. No, 10,000 likes.
Oh, 1 million. I like 1 million
Would you
views. How about
Okay,
Would you
a
lick
million
tomato?
views, I will.
Wear a tomato for like a year.
No, I'm not gonna do that. I'll wear a tomato. I'm like a
Tomato.
fucking huge tomato.
Tomato dress.
For 1 million, I will.
Eat tomatoes from.
that? Eat tomato and then drink durian smoothies. How about that?
And durian.
Deal.
Go!
I will do that.
Wow.
Yeah,
I
you
saw
better prepare yourself.
Myself. I sold my soul.
No.
No,
To the tomato.
You
devil.
still sell yourself. You sell your soul for.
Yeah, I
For
sold
tomato.
my soul for bills.
To tomato Satan.
So guys, yeah. So guys, you're the witness. So katanya Thiago, dia bakal minum smoothie durian dan makan tomat, which is dia benci banget kalau video ini ditonton 1 juta kali.
What's going on? Emily's got tomatoes in it. What's for breakfast? Tomatoes. With Jefferson, tomatoes.
Like yeah, exactly, all tomatoes. And then for dinner, tomato salad.
For dinner, tomatoes.
Fried tomatoes.
Just literally just
Jesus Christ.
a box of tomatoes. Okay.
The thing is, this is actually really good.
The beans, the stinky
I was gonna
beans.
say, like, you know, if you're looking at, you know, not having money or having money, even if I had money and I had this for dinner, I'd be pretty satisfied with that. You know what I mean? I'd be happy with that.
Oh, this is nice
like
here.
without. Oh my god! Like you just saw the knife. I can't handle this.
I'm like, oh, I did that. And I was like,
Well, you challenge yourself.
no, I'm like, why do you have a knife? Why does he get a knife? What is that? I'm like,
I don't have eyes. You better use your eyes. I don't know why, but a lot of people love to watch people's eating. It makes you hungry.
Last time anybody watches me, I'll tell you that right now. I'm gonna start eating his food as well. I'm gonna like rubbing it into his faces. We can make some money for that. You know what I mean? That's a whole nother level.
I want to go home.
Yeah. Too bad.
You're out.
Food rubbed all over your face. It's gonna be good.
Did you put more rice on my plate? What is going on? I'm
No.
eating and the rice is not going away.
We're gonna bust out the tomatoes later. Squeeze them on each other. I'm excited.
No.
Yeah.
No tomatoes.
Tomatoes for everyone.
Tomatoes for everyone, exactly.
Okay, I'm gonna have to be honest with you. I'm not gonna be able to finish this.
No problem. You don't have to. You have to enjoy the food. You're done. You're done. So
That's again to the college viewers, right?
no, it's like
There's
actually
nothing
all the
worse than
people.
wasting food. Just don't do that. Right? You finally get to a point where you can enjoy a good meal. Just make enough. Not too much.
Kids don't ever waste food
Don't waste food. It's not nice. It's not good.
because there's people out there that could be eating that food.
Yeah. Other starving students
Other serving students, yeah. Or people.
that don't have this advantage.
Starving students. They don't pay us that well. No advertising.
Lee is full. Just give up. Yeah, because it's like. Jadi mereka nyobain ini setelah video yang sebelumnya. That's why he's just so.
Is that a lot of food, right? I don't know how you eat it well. It's not possible. I like.
Well, like the fried rice.
Finding as rice and everywhere. Austrians in history have been known to just pack it. Like, look at that, and just stuff it all over the place in the legs.
So like in Indonesia, we eat like rice 3 times a day, right? So for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner.
That sounds depressing a little bit.
No, I get it like.
But it's different though, isn't it? Because it's. I heard somewhere that if you have the same food, like for a month, right, like an entire month, but the texture is different, so it could be rice.
It's very good,
right?
yeah.
But if the texture is different, you can eat it and eat it and eat it and eat it and eat it. If the texture is the same, you're gonna get to day 3 and you're like, no.
Yeah, you just like, yeah.
You kind of fool your body a little bit,
Right.
Because the texture is slightly different. It's like liquid rice, solid rice, and then gas rice. You just have, you know, those 3 things, totally fine. You can eat that for 6 years. A little bit of different taste, different texture, same stuff.
Good reading.
This is the like different kinds the chili thing, right?
Yeah, just a little bit.
White rice.
Just like put it away. No, I feel like it's a little bit of it, so just to give it some taste. But you don't have to eat that. I'll get it for myself.
No, wait. I'm gonna eat Alejandro's shrimp though, because that is not gonna be wasted. That's for sure.
Go for it.
Just go for it.
All on the same fork.
I'm telling you, there's no possible. I have like the same amount of rice. There's still a lot of rice. There's no possible.
Thiago, what's that over there? Look at Thiago, it's a giant spider.
Like every time I'm like,
Joke's on you.
oh my god, there's like more rice. You're saying that you're losing against like all us that like, and usually like rice is the food that you eat in Brazil like most of the time.
And I'm like, how I'm losing?
Yeah.
And like, I eat a lot per day.
It's all that milk you've been drinking. That's what it
Because
is.
yesterday I did workout and then also I went to work.
I want one of your crap.
I worked out yesterday though. I work out every day. Do exercise, kids. It's good for you.
Fitness.
Message from the government of Canada.
There's no reason to do that.
So, guys, the stinky beans or the petee. What do you say, Basti?
So it was better than expected. Like we had the complete stinky beans last time, and it tasted worse actually. This time it was not that bad, but still I don't like it too much.
Oh,
so I
okay.
would say like stinky beans like this. The rest of the food definitely thumbs
Oh,
up.
okay. Lee, how about you?
Stinky beans, big 2 gigantic thumbs up.
Wow, you like
I love.
yay.
It's just stuff that's a little bit. It's different, you know. I kind of. Yeah, you know. I've never had stinky beans in my life, so.
That's your first time and you like it.
Dig
Oh, impressive.
Digging it.
That never happened to me.
Yes, exactly.
I'm happy with that.
Yay.
Yeah, it's good.
How about you?
I like the beans.
It was good. As I told you, like it was like a
I ate most of that as well.
familiar taste.
Uh-huh.
I'm not sure like what is the name in Spanish, but I think I've tried it before. So I like it. It's a really nice taste.
And you like it.
I like it.
Wow. I'm surprised.
Look at that.
How about you?
It's good. It's actually like nice.
Not the tomato?
any of that. Yeah, what are you talking about?
I stretch you God before putting more stuff in here. It's no possible. No, like straight up, this thing was this size when it came in.
Oh, here we go.
And I was like, eating? No, okay. I was like, that's good. I'm like, wait a minute. I'll be like going for like really long time. Like, why these things are getting like smaller and mine's still like massive? I'm like, I think it's just like my imagination, right? And then I was like, let's go. I'm like,
You even know what stinky beans tastes like. You haven't even had it, but it's good though. I like it.
That's cool. Well, thank you guys that you want to try that. I know like a lot of some of people that I know they don't like it, and then they even don't not dare to try it because they know because sometimes they smell it and like ew, it smells weird, and then they just like scared to try it. But thumbs up for you that you dare to try all this food and you like it. Yay! Bye.
Bye bye. Love you all.